Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation Advanced Level, Exercise 4 of Newspaper Notes, Dictation Speed 60 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand, Total time 55 minutes. Ready, start. The initiative has now been lost and they have been pushed almost entirely into reactive mode. Full stop. Usually, comma, it takes a government a few years, comma, well past its midway mark, comma, to reach this point, but we seem to have arrived at it a little sooner than most. Full stop. We now have daily news of meetings in the Prime Minister House on price rise and inflation, comma, and much of what they are discussing by way of solutions is little more than band aid interventions anyway. Full stop. Regaining the initiative is a little like putting the genie back in the bottle, comma, to borrow a clutch, but, comma, then again, comma, it is the time for clutches because in one of those meetings in Prime Minister House they actually discussed bringing back the ration card scheme. Full stop. I remember that from when I was a kid. Full stop. Never thought we did see it again one day. Full stop. The opposition's strategy is simple. Full stop. Time is on their side. Full stop. They say that the government will sink under the weight of its own failures. Full stop. Nobody need do anything. Full stop. The only thing left to think about is the mechanics of it. Full stop. Back in the 1990s, comma, governments were evicted from office through the Eighth Amendment. Full stop. At the moment there is no such mechanism, comma, so if the speculation engulfing the capital of a coming change in faces at the top is to be played out, comma, one wonders how exactly it will be achieved. Full stop. But in terms of policy direction, comma, there is no longer any. Full stop. An IMF program is being implemented like a textbook, comma, and whatever shortfalls are cropping up in it, comma, such as on the revenue side, comma, they will be made up through stoppage measures, comma, such as rushed privatizations whose only job is to raise money to help meet the fiscal and current account deficits, full stop, large subsidized interventions in the food markets of the country are planned, full stop. Incidentally, comma, when the privatization law was drafted back in 2000, comma, 90% of all proceeds were to be used for retirement of debt and the remaining 10% only for poverty alleviation, full stop. Also, comma, the law prohibits using privatization proceeds as revenues, full stop. They have to be classified as financing, comma, which is not the same thing, comma, and does not count towards meeting the revenue target or augmenting the tax to GDP ratio, full stop. But a clever way has been found to circumvent this law, comma, and from what we understand, comma, they will be showing privatization proceeds as non-tax revenues, full stop. Alongside these measures, they have to withdraw the 7.5 cents per unit per tariff offered to exporters last year, comma, a move that has sparked outrage among the exporter community because the PAR division sought to make it retroactive, comma, meaning they would collect all surcharges and taxes from last year, full stop. Weeks after this notification was sent out, comma, representatives of the power and finance divisions were trading blame before a parliamentary panel where they were questioned on it. Stop rating, please.